Okay, guys, let's try this again. When we left off, my screen was giving me fits, but I want to finish this up so that we could move on with our lives. All right, we did 4 into 8. We dad divided. We multiplied. 2 times 4 equals 8. We sister subtracted. 8 minus 8 gave us 0. But we're not done yet because we have to do a brother bring down because we have a 1 in the box and a 6 in the box, or the closet, as I like to say. So we bring the 1 all the way out of the closet. So now we have a new division problem, 4 into 0, 1, or 4 into 1. How many times does 4 go into 1? It doesn't. It goes in 0 times. That's where it had the 0 here, because remember, while we're dividing by 4 here, there's no real space to put our answer up here. So we're going to put it above the brother we took out. 0 times 4 is 0. We just multiplied. Now we're going to sister subtract. 1 minus nothing leaves us with 1. We're not done yet because we have another brother we got to bring out of the closet, our 6. And because we took a brother out of the closet, we got to start dividing again. So we're going to divide 4 into 16. So if I go up to my skip counting charts, 4, 8, 12, 16. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 4 and 16. So there's my 4. Remember, it's too tiny to squeeze up here. So I'll put it, or too big to squeeze in this tiny little space. So I'll put the 4 over here on top of the 6. Then I multiply. 4 times 4 equals 16. Write that down here. And then that should be a 6. And then I'm going to sister subtract 16 minus 16, which equals 0. Any more brothers to bring out of the closet? Nope, I brought down that 1, I brought down that 6. I am done. 816 divided by 4 equals 204. Okie dokie. So for homework tonight, what I would like for you to do is I'm going to have you work on a couple of problems, and I will attach the problem to your Google Classroom, okay? And then we'll get back together on our next session, and we'll go over those problems, okay? If you struggle, remember, use your skip counting charts. Always use these steps, and you can also go back to the silly fish video that I posted for you guys a couple days ago. Probably didn't have as many technical difficulties as me. In fact, I know they didn't. Okay? All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.